Hi, I'm Lucas and I drive trains here in Cardiff for Transport for Wales. I'm very excited because on Sunday, Wales are playing my home country of Slovakia right here.
Cardiff is a fantastic city and we welcome people from all corners of the world. So today I'm going to teach some of my friends at the station some Slovakian phrases.
Ahoj, vitajte v Cardiffe. Stadion je tým Smeron. Lístky, prosím.
You can walk to the stadium from Cardiff Central or catch a train to Grangetown. It's a bit closer. Croeso I Gaerdydd. Welwn ni cyd ddydd Sul.